In England, around 1558, tobacco was introduced, and a few years later, clay pipes became popular. Their affordability and ease of production made them accessible to everyone, including the poor. People appreciated using clay pipes because they were low cost and easily replaceable, allowing them to smoke without worrying about breakage. One drawback of clay pipes is that the bowl can become too hot to handle. However, this can be minimized by holding the stem of the pipe and smoking slowly. On the positive side, clay pipes are easy to clean, and there's no concern about ghosting, the aftertaste left by the last tobacco smoked. This video isn't focused on the history of clay pipes, it's about how to make one. Let's get started. The first step in making your pipe is to find or purchase potter's clay suitable for shaping and sculpting. I recommend using low-firing clay, as it can be baked in a conventional oven. Once you have your clay, the next step is wedging. This process is similar to kneading dough. Choose a non-stick surface, add a little water, and begin rolling and squishing the clay to remove any air bubbles. Once the air bubbles are eliminated, you can start hand-building your pipe. To create the bowl, first flatten the clay using a rolling pin. Then use your finger as a mold to shape the bowl, leaving enough clay at the tip to completely enclose it. After shaping, carefully remove the bowl from your finger and set it aside to dry. Once the bowl is dry, poke a hole in the base to create an opening for the stem. After the bowl is completed, the next step is to construct the stem. The stem can be made in two ways. The first method involves rolling a piece of wedged clay into a round shape. Then take a long, straight, pointed stick, like a bamboo skewer, and carefully insert it into the clay until it exits from the other end. Alternatively, you can flatten the clay, place a bamboo skewer in the center, and roll it over the skewer until it forms a solid round piece. Keep the skewer in place to hold the stem and bowl together, then add clay around the bowl and stem to achieve a secure, smooth finish. Put the completed pipe aside and let it dry to firm it up before baking. Before baking, remove the stick. Bake for about 20 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. With the pipe baked, the pipe is now ready to collect and use. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, bye.